You know, you're never too young to help fight coronavirus. There's a group of East Tennessee students using technology to make a difference. Here's our Rick Russo.
This school year has not panned out as students had hoped for, but there are some over at Knoxville Catholic that are making the most of their time away.
The Robotichauns, a group with a passion for technology, have figured out a way to help during this time of need.
Mr. Parris came to me and he said, hey, if there's a way that we can help the community out a little bit, and if there's anything that you could print, be on the lookout for that. So that's basically how all this started.
Doug Parris is the team's mentor, and Tony was referring to 3D printing, which the students are using to produce comfort straps or tensioners for respirator masks. The kids learned that there was an issue with the masks, having to wear them all day, causing discomfort to the skin and ears of healthcare workers. There was also the issue that one size doesn't fit all.
Some of the surgeons and nurses at the hospital said, hey, our heads are a little bit too small, so is there any way you can get an extra rung on there? I was able to copy the design from this rung, just shift it down enough to make it easy for the straps to hold.
The group has also placed its robotics team number and the school initials on the green and gold design so they can show medical personnel that they're with them in this fight against the virus.
We've been looking for ways to give back because a lot of these people have been supporting us since day one, and we want to show our support back to them, especially in this time of need.
So far, over 150 of the tensioners have been produced and distributed to East Tennessee Children's Hospital, UT Cancer Institute, with demands as well coming from Blunt Memorial Hospital. Rick Russo, WVLT News.